Oh, Luigi. Oh, I know today is kind of boring. I know. Let's just something. Hello, Mario and Luigi. What? Kermit, you're supposed to be in Banprostal Heaven. What are you doing here? What do you mean I'm in Banprostal Heaven? I'm still alive. What makes you think that I'm dead in heaven? Were you dreaming again, Mario? Oh my God! Okay, well, whatever. Oh, cool, my phone's ringing. Hello? Kermit, have you destroyed the Mario Brothers yet? Destroy the Mario Brothers? No, they're my friends. I love them. What, you haven't destroyed the Mario Brothers yet? No, I have not destroyed the Mario Brothers. Oh. You let me down, Kermit. I'm gonna destroy them on my own. Goodbye. Oh. Bad news, guys. Oh, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? Well, you see, there's this main guy. Now, he is called the Blue Terror. He's a blue monster. Is it me?